In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create subscriber-only posts on Substack. It's a great way to provide exclusive content to your paying audience and enhance the value of your newsletter. Let's dive in together and walk through each step in detail. First, you'll want to head over to the Substack homepage. This is where you usually manage your newsletter, and it's your main hub for all creative activities. Once you're there, direct your attention to the Create button. It should be fairly easy to spot, usually situated in a spot that invites you to start creating right away. Clicking on this button will set the process in motion. Having clicked Create, the next immediate step is to select Post. This option essentially tells Substack you're ready to draft or publish a new entry. It's tailored towards writing and sharing your thoughts, updates, or any curated content you believe your subscribers would appreciate. Substack simplifies this process, allowing you to focus on the content without getting bogged down in technicalities. With that in place, now comes the fun part: creating your post. This is your canvas, a space where you can craft your message, express your insights, or celebrate stories. Whether you're drafting something brand new or polishing up some ideas that have been brewing, this is where your imagination takes flight. Take your time to write, format, and make it as engaging as you want it to be. After all, this is what your subscribers are here for. Once your post is ready and looking exactly how you want it, click on Continue. It's essentially a way of saying, "This is good, let's move on." You'll then be prompted to make some decisions about who can access this piece. At this juncture, you have an important choice to make: making this post available exclusively to your paid subscribers. This adds a layer of exclusivity and provides real value for those supporting your work financially. It's worth noting, however, that this step is conditioned upon having connected your Substack account to Stripe. Stripe is a platform that handles your payment processing, so you'll need this setup to differentiate between free and paid content. Finally, once you've designated your audience as paid subscribers, confirm your decision by clicking on Send to Paid Subscribers Only. This action finalizes your intention and ensures your post remains exclusive to those who have opted for paid content. It's a rewarding way to offer something special to your most engaged subscribers and can help nurture that community feeling. Now you're all set. You've successfully created and shared a subscriber-only post on Substack. This method not only allows you to share privileged content, but also helps foster a more committed audience. Thank you for following along, and I hope you find this feature as beneficial as it is empowering. Keep creating, sharing, and engaging with your audience in meaningful ways.